Very good morning student. Class 11th Mathematics Introduction. In each and every chapter we need some formulas. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a representative Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Trigonometrical ratio of aligned angles. What is the mean of the aligned angles? That means 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, and 360 plus theta. Student, in the case of the sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, already 90 plus theta, then 180 minus theta, 180. That means how many formulas are there? So remember, take a maximum formulas covered by the simple trick. Student, graphical representation. In the case of the graphical representation, this is a x-axis, positive x-axis, negative x-axis, and positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Now we taking two cross lines and the same point, center capital O. Student, that is a first part when we going anti-clockwise. In the direction of anti-clockwise, this is a first part for you, then this is second part, this is third part, and finally we getting the last part, fourth part. It is a initial point for diagram, so we taking 0 degree. Both are mutually perpendicular to each other, so we taking 90 degree here. What is the mean of the 90 degree, students? 90, that means in another way pi by 2. I hope you getting pi by 2 will be equal of 90 degree. 0 plus 90 will be equal of 90, 90 plus 90 will be equal of 180 degree. 180 degree will be equal of pi. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 180 plus 90 will be equal of 270 degree. 270 degree convert into the form of the 270 degree. 270 into pi by 180. 0 cancel by 0. 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, that means 3. I hope you getting proper meaning of 270 degree in the form of pi, 3 pi by 2. 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 270 plus 90 will be equal of 360 degree. I recall graphical representation between the two mutually perpendicular lines, that is the first part, second part, third part and fourth part when we going with the anti-clockwise direction. Now we taking 90 degree. This is a 90 degree. If someone is the minus from 90, moves anti-clockwise, backward direction, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. In the case of the 180 degree, if we minus anything from the 180 will be reverse, that means a 180 minus theta and 180 plus theta. In the case of the 270 degree, if we minus anything from the 270 will be return, that means a 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta. I hope student you getting proper meaning. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta. Finally we catch 360 degree. What is the mean of the 360? 360, that means our total circle will be equal of 2 pi. So 360, if anything minus from the 360 we getting the reverse value, then 360 plus theta will be equal of forward direction. So 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. I hope you understand the all points. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. All parts. First part consists two variations, second part also consists two variation, in the third part we also consist two variation, and finally in the fourth part we also consist two variation. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta, and finally 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. A simple sentence, I written a simple sentence, all student take coffee. What is the meaning of this sentence? All student take coffee, that means सभी छात्र कॉफी पीते हैं. Simply all for the first part, student for the second part, third part and finally fourth part. All, that means all. What is the meaning of the all? That means sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. But in the case of student, that means S. Take, that means T, and copy, that means C. All student take coffee. All that means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. But in the case of the S, what is the meaning of the S? S represent for sin theta, and C represent for the cos theta, and T represent for the tan theta. What is the reverse value of the sin theta? Sin theta will be equal of 1 upon cosec theta. Similarly, take a cot theta will be equal of 1 upon tan theta, and C for cos, and the reverse value of cos theta will be equal of sec theta. In the first part, take all answers of the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta positive. I will explain. In the second coordinate, sin and cosec will be positive. Another values will be negative. But in the case of the tan and cot, third part, tan and cot will be positive. Other will be negative. But in the case of the fourth part, cos and sec, positive, other will be negative. What is the meaning of this sentence? I will correct with the examples. I will explain all those things with the sufficient examples. Student, in the case of the 90, we find two variation, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta, and finally 360, that means 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. But in the case of first part, all answers will be positive. In the second part, sin and cosec will be positive, other answers will be negative, and third part, tan and cot will be positive, other negative. In the fourth part, cos and sec will be positive, other negative. Now, take a four types of the variations are there: 90, 270, 180 and 270. Student, I think you getting the proper conversation between the you and me. 90 and 270, that means a cross answer. I repeat my word. In the case of the 90 and 270, okay, we will write cross answer. What is the meaning of the cross answer? In the question in the form sin, then answer will be cos, but question in the form cos, answer will be sin. Same thing, tan will be converted into the form of the cot and cot will be converted into the form of the tan. Sec will be converted into the form of the cos and cos will be converted into the form of the sec. But in the case of 180 and 270, answer will be same. I repeat, answer will be same. ठीक है, फंडामेंटल थ्योरी, फंडामेंटल चार्ट, ठीक है, ऑल पॉइंट्स will be defined with the help of the suitable examples. Now I introduce 90 minus theta. Students, in sin 90 minus theta, then cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Now 90 minus theta, then after 90 plus theta, then 180 minus theta, then 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta and 360 plus theta. Firstly I taking 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, देखिए स्टूडेंट, focus on sin 90 minus theta. Firstly check 90, 180, 270 or 360. In the case of 90, what is the proper message? In the case of the 90 or 270, we getting the cross answers. What is the meaning of the cross answer? Cross answer, that means sine will be converted into the form of cos. That means sin theta equal to cos theta equal to sin theta, tan theta equal to cot theta, cosec theta, cot theta equal to tan theta, cosec theta convert into sec theta and sec theta will be converted into the cosec theta. I think 50% answer will be finished. In the case of the 90, and 270, answer will be cross, but in the case of the 180 and 360, answer will be same. Now what about the sine? Where is the 90 minus theta? 90 minus theta, all answers will be positive. That means cos positive, sine positive, cot positive, sec positive, cosec positive and tan positive. I hope you understand first type 90 minus theta. Now I going with the 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, students, 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta, where is the 90 plus theta? Firstly focus on the 90. What is the proper message by 90? That means a cross answer. In the case of the sine, we getting the cos. In the case of the cos, we getting the sine. In the case of the tan, we getting the cot. In the case of the cot, we getting the tan theta. ठीक है, cosec will be equivalent of the sec theta and sec theta will be equivalent of the cosec theta. In the case of the 90 plus theta consists in the second part. In the second part, the answers of sine and cosec, the answers of sine and cosec both are positive, otherwise negative. Other answers will be negative. In the case of the 90 plus theta, ठीक है, relate with the part 2, the message of the second part, the answers of sine and cosec, will be positive, other part will be negative. I hope student you getting the second part 90 plus theta. Now then 90 plus theta, after 90 plus theta we have 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta, students, sin 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta and 180 minus theta. Student, where is the 180 minus theta? 180 minus theta, firstly 180 minus theta, what will we see? ठीक है, 180. In the case of the 180, same answer is there. Same answer, that means a sine will be equal of sine, cos will be equal of cos, tan will be equal of tan, cosec will be equal of cosec, sec will be equal of sec, and cot will be equal of cot. 180 minus theta consists in part 2. Part 2, the message of part 2, sine and cosec, the answers of the sine and cosec both are positive. ठीक है, अदर आंसर्स विल बी नेगेटिव. आई होप you understand about the 180 minus theta. Now we going with the 180 plus theta. What is the mean of the 180? 180 that means a same answer. 180 that means a same answer. Now we taking sine. 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta relate with the third part. What is the message of the third part? The answers of the tan and cot, the answers of the tan and cot will be positive, other answers will be negative. I hope student you getting the answers of the 180 minus theta. Now we moving with the, ठीक है, another form 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta. What about the 270 minus theta? Sin 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta, cosec 270 minus theta, sec 270 minus theta, cot 270 minus theta. Now what message by the 270 in the case where, sorry student, 180 and 360, in the case of 90 and 270 answer will be cross. What is the mean of the answer will be cross? Sine will be equal of cos, cos will be equal of sine, tan will be equal of cot, cot will be equal of tan, cosec will be equal of sec, and sec will be equal of cosec. But 270 minus theta, 270 minus theta, 27 minus theta consists in the part number 3. Message of the part number 3, the answers of the tan and cot, the answers of the tan and cot will be positive, other answers will be negative. I hope you understand about the 270 minus theta. Now we moving with the, ठीक है, another part 270 plus theta. What is the message from the 270? 270 that means a cross answer. Sine will be equal of cos, cos will be equal of sine, tan will be equal of cot, cosec sec. ठीक है, now 270 plus theta, 270 plus theta relate with the fourth coordinate. What is the proper message of the fourth coordinate? The answers of the cos and sec, the answers of the cos and sec both are positive, other answers will be negative. I hope you understand with the 270 plus theta. Now we are moving with the 360 minus theta, then 360 plus theta. Formulas of 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. Student, sin 360 minus theta, cos 360 minus theta, tan 360 minus theta, cosec 360 minus theta, sec 360 minus theta, cot 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. In the case of the 360 minus theta, firstly introduce 360. What is the mean of the 360? Message from the 360, that means the same answer. What is the mean of the same answer? Sine will be equal of sine, cos will be equal of cos, tan will be equal of tan, cosec will be equal of cosec, sec will be equal of sec, and cot will be equal of cot. Now time to sine. Sine 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta belongs to part number 4th. Message cos and sec. The answers of cos and sec will be positive. Will be positive. Other answers will be negative. I hope you understand 360 minus theta. Now time for 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. ठीक है, साइन 360 प्लस थीटा, कोस 360 प्लस थीटा, टेन 360 plus theta. In the part of the 360 plus theta, firstly we introduce 360. How much? 360. Now 360, what is the message from the 360? Same answer. That means our sine will be equal of sine, cos will be equal of cos, tan will be equal of tan, cosec will be equal of cosec, and sec will be equal of sec, and finally cot will be equal of cot. Now time to sine. What sine? Where sine we used 360 plus theta. Again 360 plus theta consists in the part first. Message of the past part: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. All answers will be positive. I hope you understand. 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. Now we moving. ठीक है, numbers. What is the mean of the numbers? That means ठीक है, just follow any example. Sine taking 405 degree. Sine 405 degree. Firstly 405 degree compare with the 90. More than 90, more than 180, more than 270, more than 360. That means the final stage is 360. Then convert into the form of the 360. How much will be increased? 360 plus 45. Now sine 360 plus theta. Sine 360 plus theta. In the case of the 360 plus theta, firstly we see 360. Message from the 360. Same answer. That means a sine theta. About the sine, where is the sine? 360 plus theta. All answers will be positive. That means a positive sine theta. That means a positive sine theta. What is the standard value of sine 45? 1 by root 2. I hope student you getting the all answers related to angles. Thank you so much.